it's a big achievement and a big day, I'm
It
sure.
is. No, it's a really good. Now we should just for a moment focus on Hunter.
But
and we
Vikas, you have also been appreciated as a director. What would you say about that?
can we talk about that? Let's give it 15 minutes, and after that, right now, can we just discuss Hunter?
It's a fictitious character.
Yeah, yeah. I actually created the whole like illusion of Mandar Ponkshe. So Mandar Ponkshe exists, but he also does not exist. So I suppose that answers the question.
Okay, my question is to Vikas ji and Vikram ji, to the producers. Your movie has been released where there was a CBFC's problem and issues. So, what kind of issue you faced during the release of the movie? What kind of you have to done with dialogues or theme? Have you altered or something?
No, actually, I think they were quite. They understood the larger perspective of the film, and within the humor, they understood the character journey. And because they got the larger picture, we did not face any problem actually. On maybe a couple of words here and there, but other than that, we didn't face any problem with the censor board on this one.
Vikas, hi, this is Ishan from News Express.
हाँ, yuppie moment आया था.
तो क्या हुआ बताएंगे आप? क्या कंगना को आपने मैसेज किया या उनका कोई रिप्लाई आया या आपको किसके थ्रू पता चला कि ये अवार्ड्स के बारे में?
मुझे एक्चुअली सबसे पहले हर्ष का मैसेज आया था. So back to हर्ष.
और किस तरीके से सेलिब्रेट करेंगे आप इस सक्सेस को? क्योंकि एक बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट एक तरीके से एक चीज है आपकी लाइफ की.
हाँ, मंदिर जाएंगे, माथा टेकेंगे, नेशनल अवार्ड है, और माता पिता के पैर छुएंगे और बुजुर्गों का आशीर्वाद. बस यही चाहिए हमें, और कुछ नहीं चाहिए. मतलब नेशनल अवार्ड पे तो ये होता है ना, ब्लैक लेबल तो फिल्म फेयर पे.
लेकिन विकास, here your left, वसीम फ्रॉम इंडिया टीवी. अभी जब विशाल भारद्वाज से पूछा गया, उन्होंने आपको मेनी कंग्रेचुलेशन कहा है आपके इस अवार्ड के लिए. उनका ये रिएक्शन है कि अवार्ड मिलने के बाद पार्टी सेलिब्रेट करेंगे, दारू पिएंगे, लेकिन आपने कहा कि मंदिर जाएंगे. आपका भी कुछ ऐसा इरादा है?
ये विशाल सर बहुत ही बिगड़े हुए हैं. वो दारू वारू पिएंगे और मैं मंदिर से सीधा उनके घर ही जा रहा हूँ एक्चुअली. हाँ वही भाई.
तो सक्सेस को कैसे देखते हैं आप?
I think
क्योंकि रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आपके.
एक्चुअली हमारा सबसे पहला रिएक्शन ये था कि बहुत अच्छा हुआ कि 2 घंटे पहले हमको अवार्ड मिला और आप सब हमें यहाँ मिलेंगे हंटर के प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस पे, और फिर हम हंटर की बहुत सारी बातें करेंगे. तो हम बैक टू हंटर फॉर 10 मिनट्स. आप इधर आए कौन सी कॉन्फ्रेंस के लिए थे?
दोनों सेलिब्रेशन आप ही के हैं ना सर, दोनों सेलिब्रेशन आप ही के हैं. हंटर भी बहुत अच्छी फिल्म है.
मेरे प्रोड्यूसर बैठे सामने, बजट इनका है. और वो क्वीन से नहीं आ रहा है, वो घूर रहे हैं मुझे इतना जोर जोर की. तो आप प्लीज मेरी नौकरी बचाइए, पहले हंटर की बात करते हैं, उसके बाद करते हैं ना क्वीन की बात. कहाँ जा रहे हैं हम लोग? यहीं पे ही है सब लोग.
हाय, मेरा सवाल गुलशन से है. गुलशन,
No, this was always the original screenplay.
हाय, मेरा सवाल गुलशन से है. गुलशन, आपने फिल्म के अंदर एक हंटर का किरदार निभाया है.
जी.
जानना चाहूंगा आप रियल लाइफ में आपने कितना रिसर्च किया हंटर का किरदार निभाने के लिए? आप क्या सही में हंटर बने हैं?
बहुत मतलब बचपन से रिसर्च करता हुआ आया हूँ. रिसर्च ही किया है, लेकिन कुछ ऐसे क्या थियोरी किया, प्रैक्टिकल कभी नहीं किया. वो बात हो गई मेरे साथ में. लेकिन वो थियोरी क्या है ना, जब थियोरी जिसकी पक्की हो, सडनली आपको एग्जाम देना पड़ेगा, तो फिर वो सब याद आते हैं. तो वो वाली बात हो गई मेरे साथ में. तो थियोरी मेरी पक्की थी, प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपीरियंस नहीं था. वहाँ पे हर्षवर्धन ने थोड़ी बहुत मेरा बचाव कर दिया. मैंने ऐसे क्यों रखा हुआ है हाथ? ओके. तो सब मोस्टली इमेजिनेशन, बाकी जो स्क्रिप्ट में है वो, और मंदार के किरदार से तो हर कोई रिलेट कर पाता है. तो फैंटेसाइज तो हर कोई करता है, चाहे वो मर्द हो या औरत हो या कोई भी हो. तो बस वही है जो तजुर्बा बचपन का है, जो प्यूबर्टी में क्या क्या एक्सपीरियंस थे मेरे दोस्तों के साथ, कैसे हम लोग बात कर रहे थे, क्या था. तो वही सब कुछ है स्क्रिप्ट में, जो इनोसेंटली शुरुआत होती है मंदार की जर्नी. तो वेरी रिलेटेबल कैरेक्टर. तो बहुत कुछ रिसर्च करने की ज़रूरत नहीं थी.
Hello, I am Pankaj from Limelight. Stay here. Harsh, my question is, the film is more than a sex comedy. It is more of a drama. So but it was promoted as if it was only a sex comedy. So do you think you could have promoted the film in a different way and added more aspects to it?
No, actually, I thought the promotions were not as a sex comedy. So when we went out, we did tell everyone that there are no double meaning. See, we have just one image. I mean, and plus, no, plus there's just not posters. There's also articles which are being written. There are promos which are coming. There are so many things which are being marketed. So I think in all, you're taking the message back home.
No,
So-
I actually, at some level, you could be right about this. But the fact is that we could take, there were two ways of marketing this film. Either you take the whole journey and say it's a film that starts with the Kela opening and ends somewhere else, or it starts with the Kela opening, because that is his state of mind. As a child, till he falls in love and then he grows to becoming the guy that he becomes, till he goes through the experiences. So we just decided to take the starting point of this boy's journey as the marketing tool versus the whole journey of the film as the marketing tool. So you might look at it as a sex comedy, but it's actually a state of mind. So its state of mind is girls all around. How can I get that one? How do I get the second best? How do I tell my friends? How do I conference call when a girl calls me? So that's a state of mind. So if you look at the poster, it's only about a state of mind, and we've just not. See, if you look at this, probably which is the most vulgar, this is quite vulgar. If you were to use that word, but basically what it's saying is that he's focused. His single focus is what it says, right? So, and that's his journey in the film.
Okay, Radhika ji, Radhika, my question is to you that first Badlapur, now Hunter. So aren't you afraid that you will get a tag of bold actress and you will get such roles in future also?
In this, she was
Yes,
bold.
yes.
But the movie content is quite bold. So
अरे कहाँ बोल्ड है यार मतलब हर रोज तो दिखता है हंटर यहाँ वहाँ कभी but no I personally don't think it's very bold I think it's in fact something that is easily relatable because the other films which are so called not bold are films and characters which one can't relate to either so I think I'd love to do characters which are more real and if that is bold then that is how that is I think is that an answer to your question.
Harsh, there were many instances in the film where we felt like this is our story. I could relate to it. So how did you get how did you get the nuances right and did you research about this or how did you get that very right?
I had friends like you all through from my childhood. So how could I forget? I mean, that was my research. So it's all based on the Vasus of the world.
हर्ष माय क्वेश्चन इज फॉर यू आपकी जो फिल्म है ये फैंटम प्रोडक्शन बैक कर रही है इसलिए इतनी सक्सेस है इसे लेकिन अगर यही फिल्म केतन शाह अगर बनाते तो उसे बी ग्रेड सी ग्रेड माना जाता कांति शाह बनाते तो
ये केतन भाई हमारे प्रोड्यूसर है वन ऑफ द प्रोड्यूसर्स तो मैं डर गया था
सो कांति शाह माय बैड तो एज अ डायरेक्टर आपका व्यू मैं जानना चाहूंगा कि अगर बड़ी प्रोडक्शन हाउस बैक करती है तो उसका रिएक्शन भी लोगों से अलग मिलता है
बट पिक्चर भी तो वैसी होनी चाहिए ना कि बड़े प्रोडक्शन हाउस हमको बैक करे मतलब सिंपल सी चीज है कि ये पिक्चर ही ऐसी थी कि फैंटम जैसे लोग जो इसको बैक कर रहे हैं उनको समझ में आ रही थी कि यार इसकी सेंसिबिलिटी जो है वो बी ग्रेड या सी ग्रेड नहीं है बल्कि रियल है और एंटरटेनिंग है सो दैट्स द रीजन
When I saw the film, for me the most interesting character and the journey was actually Kshitij, the cousin brother, who I think is actually the real Vasu, you know, who is his inspiration कि एक दिन मैं ऐसा बनना चाहता हूँ, you know, and in that journey, that boy who gets all the girls, who's taking them home, how he turns around at that point in time, how he meets that girl, how he goes and beats up that father for what he does. It's that same character. So I would not be able to put this film in any category of a film that I've seen before, whether it's drama, coming of age, sex comedy, whatever you might call it. But that journey, it takes so much of craftsmanship to be able to create a character like that, to turn him around like that. And then when he dies, the attitude of the wife after that, you know, and how she handles it, how the kid gets into the car and that turns him around. It's just magical. And I think it takes another piece of craftsmanship to be able to tell a story like that. So it's hats off to Harsh to be able to tell us a story like this.
रजत कमल मुझे मिलेगा ना तू दे रहा है
Harsh here. Harsh, the kid who played younger Gulshan along with the other two kids were remarkably brilliant. How was the casting done for them, for these kids?
Yeah, it was a painful process actually. I mean, we had a casting director who kind of did lots of auditions of kids in Mumbai and several other cities. But we were shooting in Pune, so then we had to kind of look for kids who were in Pune because it's a low budget film, extremely low budget. So we couldn't take people and lodge them there. We didn't find any of the kids who had acted before, you know, and because it was just not fitting properly. So,
well, I think the social message is that there's strength in family. That family, as evil as I am,